To lower the sodium in, I made somewhat of a ghetto little contraption which involved a broken test tube and an alligator clip. The sodium was placed at the bottom, and then using a torch, I melted it. I heated the sodium until it ignited, but when I lowered it into the chlorine, it went out, which was quite surprising for me actually. Despite it going out, all of the sodium that was exposed to the chlorine became nice white sodium chloride, but unfortunately this is not the spectacular reaction that I was expecting. I took the sodium back out and I heated it a lot until it was molten red. This time, when I placed it back into the chlorine, it was a much more spectacular reaction. The sodium burned really bright and it turned my Erlenmeyer flask into a lantern. From demonstrations and other resources that I've seen online, I honestly expected this reaction to last no more than a few seconds. I'm not sure if I just used more sodium than the other demonstrations, but the reaction seemed to go very vigorously and bright for at least a minute. Now that the reaction had died down, it's possible to see the reaction going on inside the broken test tube. Compared to the other method where it was ignited using water, this method produced a lot more sodium chloride smoke. The test tube was coated in a thick layer of nice white sodium chloride. I tried to scratch off as much as I could, but it's honestly very hard and stuck very tightly to the glass. When it's poured out, you can see that this product is much cleaner than the last run. This sodium chloride was surprisingly fluffy, maybe because it wasn't contaminated with so much sand. Although this product looked nice, white, and clean, I still highly advise that you don't sprinkle this onto your food.